Good morning, everyone. It's Tasha, and I have Zoe here. Zoe, what happened today?
I failed an exam
Oh, no. So, why were you taking an exam on Saturday? We should probably talk about that first.
because I wanted to get ahead.
And why did you want to get ahead? What important thing is happening on Monday?
I'm going to Legoland
So, if we're going to Legoland on Monday, when are we going to do Monday's schoolwork?
Saturday.
Saturday. How was your attitude about that today?
Bad.
Bad. Okay. Um, so then what happened? You did your science exam on water. Was that a cool subject or boring?
Boring.
If you guys are watching, make sure you say hi to Zoe and let her know you're proud of her for doing this video with us and talking about her failure online so that you could be encouraged by it. Okay, so then what happened? You took your exam. It was 30 questions on your computer, and then what grade did you get?
56.66.
And then what happened?
I forgot.
You cried
Yeah.
like a crazy person.
Yeah.
You cried, and then what? You cried some more?
Uh-huh.
And then what did we do after that?
Tea kettle started burning.
The tea kettle went off, and you cried more.
Uh-huh.
And then what did we do?
Reflect.
We reflected. Okay, so the first question was, because you did get 16 out of the questions right. And I asked you, what did you do to get the 16 questions right? And what did you remember?
I looked up the questions that I didn't know. I looked back at my lesson, looked it up on the internet, and if none of those said anything, I guessed my best guess.
Yep. And we missed a lot of questions after question 15, right? Do you remember why?
Because I got frustrated and distracted.
And why were you distracted?
Because Haley was right above my head
Where were you doing your exam? Where were you doing your most important work?
in the living room.
On the couch, where all the people were. So did that help you to do well on your exam?
No.
Nope. Okay. So then what adjustments are you making moving forward?
I'm going to be in my room, have a snack, essential oils, and a good attitude.
And a good attitude. And no distractions. Okay. So then we did that. And did we want to redo? So then what did you do?
I asked Mr. Chang, and I promised him that I would be in my room with no distractions and a snack.
And would I please have a redo? So we learned when we make a mistake, it's okay to get upset, number one. Number two, what? Reflect.
Reflect.
And then number three, ask for a redo. And then the last step is we're going to try again.
Yeah.
So we went through all your grades, and what did we find on lots of your quizzes and tests?
Below 50.
And did we figure out why? Why?
I kept my bad grades a secret from Mommy.
And if you keep your mistakes a secret, then what does that mean? Why is that not helpful? You can't get help.
Because I can't get help.
And so what we figured out is that today's test, this big mistake, was this the best thing or the worst?
Both.
This was the worst and the best. Why was it the worst?
Because I got a really bad grade.
It was sad. And why was it the best?
Because I learned something really cool.
And what was the cool thing that you learned?
That you have to work on your mistakes, build from there, and what else?
You learned how to get better grades.
Yeah.
right? And so then you took a couple of more quizzes. You didn't even have to do it. So you tried again. And what did you do this time?
I went in my room and had no distractions. And then I did the quizzes.
You did 2 quizzes. And how did you do on those quizzes?
100%.
Oh my gosh, that's awesome. So now what's your new plan for school?
Stay in my room.
At your desk, dedicated workspace,
Mhm.
free from distraction,
Mhm.
snacks
Mhm.
equals success.
Yeah.
And what about mistakes? Are you going to keep hiding them?
No.
Does that help you at all to hide your mistakes?
Tell mommy.
Tell mommy when you make a mistake. And then mommy will reflect. We will reflect. We will try again. And we will keep reflecting until we figure it out.
Yeah.
Do you have any other things you want to tell to our people? No, that's it? Okay. Well, we hope this was helpful for you this morning. I imagine that you have also, you probably know a friend or know someone who has made a mistake in their business, and this is how we do it in our house, right? So that we can get great grades in our class. And we are very, very excited now about this challenge of 4th grade, which is a lot harder than 3rd grade, right? But we're going to figure it out. I hope you guys have a great Saturday. Make sure you cheer Zoey on for being so brave to talk about her mistakes on camera. And we are going to have an awesome time at Legoland Sunday and Monday this week because we worked ahead, because a flexible schedule does not mean unlimited vacation. You don't even know what that means, what I just said. No. So if we're taking Monday off, we work on Saturday and we get it all done and we crush and we keep crushing every day. That's right. All right. Say bye.